This isn't just a machine. This is Japanese engineering at work.
Thousands of kilograms of steel, shaped for absolute control.
In Japan, power isn't rushed. It's engineered, piece by piece. Designed in Japan. Built to move the earth. Every bulldozer begins long before steel is cut.
この溶接部分はもっと強化する必要がありますね。
特にこの船がかかる箇所は
Performance requirements are defined by real-world working conditions.
Every component is digitally engineered before production begins. Structural strength is verified under extreme load scenarios.
We need to accelerate the timeline for stage 3 right here.
I'll talk to the team, but we're already stretched thin.
Production lines are planned to handle machines of immense scale.
We need to reconsider the clearance on this joint fixture.
I've optimized the pathing here. It should resolve the collision errors.
All right, push that update through.
Material selection directly impacts durability and lifespan.
Key systems are validated before mass production.
Design and manufacturing are developed in parallel.
Once approved, production preparation begins.
The factory is now ready to build.
Design planning is complete.
The bulldozer's strength begins with its chassis. High-grade structural steel is selected for durability and load resistance.
Computer-controlled cutting ensures accuracy at industrial scale.
Fixtures hold each section in perfect alignment.
Robotic welding delivers consistent structural strength.
Each weld is formed for deep penetration and longevity.
Skilled technicians handle areas requiring human judgment.
Non-destructive testing verifies weld integrity.
Surface finishing prepares the frame for long-term service. Controlled cooling prevents material distortion. Dimensional accuracy is critical for assembly. The bulldozer's backbone is complete.
The undercarriage forms the foundation of bulldozer mobility. Track frames must be perfectly aligned to handle uneven terrain.
Idlers guide track movement and absorb shock. Wow. Easy now, center it up.
Okay, I'm hitting the pin.
All right, torque it down.
Smooth roller operation reduces wear and vibration.
Correct track tension is critical for performance and lifespan. The undercarriage is inspected before blade installation.
The blade structure is mounted to handle extreme pushing forces.
Hydraulic control enables precise blade movement.
We are holding steady at the target height.
Confirmed. Run the stress profile.
Structural integrity is confirmed at every stage. The bulldozer's working structure is now complete. Powertrain integration begins once the structure is complete. Engines are installed as single, pre-tested units.
Mounting accuracy ensures durability under extreme load.
Power is routed directly to the undercarriage.
Hydraulics control blade movement and steering force.
Thermal management is critical for continuous operation.
Clearances are checked before cabin installation.
The cabin is isolated for comfort and safety.
Mechanical inputs are directly linked to machine response.
The core machine is now fully assembled.
Installation is approved for functional testing.
The machine moves to final testing.
Final testing begins only after complete assembly.
Engine performance is verified under controlled conditions.
Hydraulic systems are calibrated for precision and strength. Track alignment and tension are critical for durability. Real-world terrain testing confirms performance.
Operator systems are checked for safety and comfort.
Vibration control ensures long service life.
4号機の温度制を拡散してくださいよ。
はい、50度で安定していますね。
記録しました。
Structural integrity is verified one last time.
Only approved machines move to delivery.
Each unit is prepared for global shipment.
From factory floor to the world's toughest job sites,